When a nurse walked into the courtroom wearing her hospital scrubs, the judge couldn't hide his anger. But her response shocked everyone and brought the entire courtroom to its feet. This is a true story of courage and respect you won't forget. Stay with me until the end. Judge Bennett's voice boomed across the wood-paneled courtroom. You will not disrespect this courtroom with your unprofessional attire. All eyes turned to the woman standing before the bench, a nurse in blue scrubs. Her hands trembled slightly, but her chin stayed high. Who was she? Why was the judge so angry over something as simple as her clothes? In moments, her words would silence the room and earn applause. But first, she had to face his wrath. Emily Carter had been a trauma nurse for 12 years. She was used to saving lives, not courtrooms. Today, she was here to testify for a young boy named Miguel, hit by a drunk driver. The defense lawyer twisted facts, making it seem like Miguel had darted into traffic. Emily had seen the truth. The driver ran a red light. She hadn't had time to change from the ICU. The bailiff hesitated when she entered. "Ma'am, you can't wear those here." But the trial was starting, and she slipped into the witness seat just as her name was called. The judge's glare was sharp. "Miss Carter, are you aware this is a courtroom, not an emergency room?" Laughter rippled through the room. Emily's face flushed. "Your attire is unacceptable," the judge said firmly. "This is a place of respect." Emily gripped the edge of the stand, feeling the defendant's smirk. The prosecutor spoke up. "Your Honor, Miss Carter is a critical witness." The judge replied coldly, "Then she should dress like one." Emily's pulse pounded as tears streamed down Miguel's mother's face in the front row. Something inside Emily snapped. The judge sighed and looked at her. Emily met his gaze without flinching. "We'll recess so you can change," he said. Emily stood abruptly. "With all due respect, Your Honor, no." Gasps filled the courtroom. She pointed to the blood stain on her sleeve. "This is Miguel's blood. I came straight from the ICU where he's fighting for his life because of him." She turned to the defendant. "You want respect? Respect is showing up. Respect is telling the truth, even when it's hard." "No, I won't change because this," she gestured to her scrubs, "is what honor looks like." Silence. Then applause that Miguel's mother stood first, then the jury, then the entire courtroom. Judge Bennett lowered his gavel and nodded slowly. "Proceed, Miss Carter." As Emily testified, the defendant's smirk disappeared. The truth was undeniable. When she stepped down, even the bailiff gave her a quiet salute. Because sometimes respect isn't about the clothes you wear, it's about the courage to stand in them. If you found this story inspiring, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more powerful stories like this. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching until the end.